In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the margins in Google Sheets for printing. Now, if you're getting ready to print out your spreadsheet and you want it to look just right on paper, tweaking the margins can make a world of difference. So, let's dive into the simple steps on how to do this effectively. First, you'll want to make sure your Google Sheet is ready to be printed. When you have your spreadsheet open, head to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, you'll want to navigate down to Print, or for a quicker route, simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut is a handy trick to remember if you print frequently or prefer a faster way to access printing options. Once you click Print or use the shortcut, the Print Preview panel will pop up. This panel is crucial because it gives you a visual of exactly how your document will look once it's printed. Over on the right-hand side of this preview panel, you'll notice an option labeled Margins. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you get to tailor how much white space you'd like around the edges of your printed sheet. After clicking on Margins, you'll be presented with a few preset choices: normal, narrow, or wide. Each preset offers a different amount of space, so you can choose one based on how much room you want on the page edges. If none of these presets fit your particular needs, you can always select the option to enter custom numbers. This is particularly useful if you have specific requirements or if you're trying to fit more data onto the page without overwhelming the print layout. With your margin preferences selected, the next step is to confirm and apply those changes. So go ahead and click Next or Print. The exact button may vary depending on your system setup. Doing this will finalize your decision and send the document to print with the new margin settings you've established. It's important to keep in mind that these margin settings only affect the way your sheet looks when printed. They won't change how your document appears on the screen while you're editing. So, if you're toggling between editing and print view, remember that these views are designed to serve different needs. And there you have it! Adjusting margins in Google Sheets can make a huge difference in the print quality and clarity of your spreadsheets. Whether you're preparing a professional report, organizing data for a meeting, or simply want a cleaner look, these adjustments ensure your document looks its best. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!